All right, we're starting off with 3 pounds of our diced frozen potatoes in our crock pot. Now I'm coming in with 1.5 pounds of cooked hot Italian sausage. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And I did drain that grease so we don't have any grease in there. Beautiful. I have 1 onion that I diced up and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top. I used a white onion, but you can use a yellow or a purple for this easy crock pot dinner. I'm gonna season this up with my ranch seasoning, and I got the garlic ranch because if you're gonna do ranch, you might as well do garlic ranch because what is better than ranch and garlic together?
I didn't know they had that.
I know, when I saw this at the store, I was all like instant buy. It smells delicious too, so I definitely already recommend it. And we're using that whole package right in there. And if that wasn't enough garlic, we have the blend seasoning, which is salt, pepper, and garlic. If you don't want too much seasoning, you can skip this step, but I like a lot of seasoning. This is a 8-quart crock pot, so it needs a lot of seasoning to make sure that all that food tastes yummy. All right, we're coming in with our chicken broth, and we are gonna add a generous amount of this chicken broth. This is a 6-cup container, so we're probably gonna add this whole entire thing right in there. We have our potatoes, our sausage, our onions, all that delicious seasoning. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be a perfect cozy crock pot meal for, fall or winter. It's so delicious, so easy to put together. You can honestly put this together when you're half asleep, set it in the morning, and it'll be ready for dinner time. So we're gonna go ahead and add that whole 6 cups of chicken broth, and you can do beef broth or vegetable broth if that's what you prefer, but chicken is my family's preference.
Oh, it smells so good.
It's that ranch. All right, and to make this nice and creamy, we have 1 block of cream cheese that we're just gonna put right on top, but we're not done yet because I love my cheese, and we picked out some sharp cheddar cheese here, and we're gonna freshly grate it to make sure that it gets nice and melty. So we're just gonna put that right on top and start grating our cheese right into our crock pot super quick. Oh my goodness. Now you can use whatever cheese you like. I just think sharp cheddar goes beautifully with ranch and with that sausage, but you could do a mozzarella, a Monterey Jack, a Colby Jack, a whatever cheese you prefer. So let's get about half of this grated and into our crock pot. All right, that's about half the block that we grated in there. And I did mean to mix this before I added the cheeses, but it's better late than never. So we're gonna go ahead and mix everything together. It's okay if that cream cheese gets a little lost in there because once it gets nice and melty, we'll give this another mix. But look how delicious this looks. All of that chicken broth makes this seamless to mix together. So let's quickly get this nice and well combined. All right, I think this looks mixed well enough. I even broke up that cream cheese just a little bit. So let's go ahead and put our lid on, and we're gonna pop this on high, but you can pop it on warm if you're cooking it in the morning. All right, it's been 4 hours on high. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Let's check it out. Woohoo!
It smells amazing.
Now it's not ready yet. We gotta give it a quick stir. Make sure all of those delicious ingredients get well blended together. It smells absolutely delicious. Now we do want to thicken this up a little bit, and the easiest way to do that is just by mashing up some of those taters in there, and that will kind of give it a thicker consistency. I'm just using my potato masher. Those potatoes are perfectly cooked, and this is going to be a delicious potato soup with that sausage, those onions. Oh my. So let's just give this a nice little smash. All right. Oh, that looks perfect. One more quick mix to make sure it gets well combined. There's a little bit of separation. That must be just from some excess grease from the sausage. Oh, but look at that. That looks perfect. Such a delicious and easy soup. Oh yeah, all right. Got my bowl. And this is ready. You could add some sour cream on top, some bacon bits, some chives, but I'm just gonna eat it as is because I know it's good this way.
Is it good?
Oh yeah. That is so cozy. You guys are gonna love this.